How to send Instagram video reels as DM on Instagram mobile application. I will do this tutorial on my Android phone, but you can always follow the same steps on iOS or any device that Instagram mobile application support. A prerequisite for this tutorial is that you need to update your Instagram application to the latest Play Store or App Store version. And as always, before we start this tutorial, if you wanted to see more contents or tutorials like this, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Okay, without further ado, let's go. First off, just fire in Instagram application, and then from the dashboard, go to any posts or reels, any account posted recently. For instance, I will click this one. Okay, and then click the share button to the top of the three dots button. Choose to send it to any account that you have. For example, I will choose this one. You can send it to multiple people. For instance, I will send it to my other two test accounts. And then whenever you're done, just click done. Head to your home page once more, okay? And then go to your messages just to confirm it to the top right. And then choose the account that you have sent the video reels just now. So for instance, I have sent it to this account, and as you can see that the video reels is now posted as DM. And that's pretty much how you send Instagram video reels as DM on Instagram mobile application. If you like this tutorial and you wanted to see more of these, do not hesitate to subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at TechTricks to cover, so do not hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. That's the whole tutorial. I hope it helps. Cheers. Until the next tutorial, YouTube. Bye.